Ever wondered what it's like to be a stock trader? Let's take a peek into a day in the life of one, from early morning rituals to evening victories. The alarm rings at 5 a.m. The morning light barely peeks through the curtains, but for a trader, the day is just beginning. Coffee is brewing as charts and news headlines flash across the screen, setting the stage for the day ahead. After a quick breakfast, it's time to dive into the numbers. A successful trader knows the importance of preparation. Scanning through stock indices, analyzing trends, and reading up on market news creates a solid foundation for decision-making. Each update is a potential opportunity or a looming risk, so staying informed is key. As the market opens at 9:30 a.m., adrenaline kicks in. Orders are placed, and fingers hover over the keyboard. Every second counts. The thrill of watching stocks rise and fall brings excitement, but it's also a test of patience. It's important to stick to the strategy, avoiding emotional trades that can lead to regrets. As the day winds down, traders reflect on their successes and lessons learned. The numbers tell a story, and each win or loss is a step in the ongoing journey. Trading isn't just about making money. It's about discipline, strategy, and constant learning. By evening, after reviewing the day's trades, it's time to unwind. Tomorrow is another chance to conquer the markets. Like, share, and follow for more content like this.